Hello, so this is the room tour for Center Point Silom in Bangkok. So this is the room for a family. So it has 2 bedrooms, and this is the kitchen. Keep hot, very good. You have 4 burner or cooking hob, microwave, sink, and the washing machines with dryer, some utensil, cutlery and everything here as well. Quite a big of a room, this one. The kid is having fun with their food. This one just came from auto call. A lot of food. So this is the view outside on the 19th floor. Can't get out for some reasons, only have the windows. And that building right there, the big one, is the Le Bourg, the very tall tower. This is beds, supposed to be for kids. And the bedroom for the parents. And another view from another side. So this is very close to everything, to the BTS SkyTrain, to the highway. So from here to Oracle by the Grab app, it's only about 160 baht. If you go on the highway, 200 baht. Yeah, very spacious. Everything seems quite new. The carpet is a little bit old, which is okay. It's not too old. The room seems very good. And the bathroom, very nice as well. Quite new. The floor and everything is really new. The water pressure is very good. Not too bad as some places is. But if you turn on this and that at the same time for the hot water, you're gonna have a little bit of a weak pressure. So yeah, only one at a time if you want hot water. And this is the room for the, this one for the makeup for the ladies, where the lady like it. Lots of makeup stuff. Some suitcase. Yeah, and a safe in here to keep all your money and everything, your belonging. Yeah, pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye bye.